Hi everybody, I'm back with another update on my portfolio. So right now my portfolio is at $81,603.40. In my CMA Edge account, or my taxable account, there's $40,798.25, and in my Roth IRA there's $40,805.15. The total money I've contributed to my accounts is $64,862.22, and the total money I've been paid in dividends is $5,203.87. Alright, let's take a look at what my current holdings are. So, here's my CMA Edge account, my taxable account. Let me make this bigger for you guys. I should have been doing this in my videos sooner, but I'm going to try to start doing it more often now. Just enlarging things so you can see things better. Alright, so right now my CMA Edge account, there's 100 shares of Boeing, 100 shares of Disney, 100 shares of Realty Income, 100 shares of AT&T, 200 shares of Delta Airlines, 200 shares of Bank of America, and 200 shares of Spirit Airlines. Here's my options that I'm selling. I'm selling a bunch of covered calls basically. And right now they're all not at their strike price. All the stocks, the underlying stocks, they're below the strike price right now. So as long as they don't hit the strike price by next Friday, I'm just going to keep the premiums and keep my stock. But even if they do hit the strike price and get called away, I'll be fine with that too. I make money either way. Alright, so here's the options I'm selling. I'm selling a covered call on Boeing, expiring 6/19 at the 2/30 strike price. I'm selling a covered call on Spirit Airlines, expiring 6/19 at the $20 strike price. I'm selling a covered call on Disney, expiring 6/19, 125 strike price. And I'm selling a covered call on Realty Income, expiring 6/19, $65 strike price. So yeah, they're all up right now. So I've made money off of selling these covered calls. I could close them out and just get, this amount of money right here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try to get the full amount of the premium by just waiting. And then we'll see what happens on next Friday. Alright, let's move on to my Roth IRA. Here's my Roth IRA. And in my Roth IRA, there's 100 shares of REM, 400 shares of Spirit Airlines, 100 shares of SDIV, and I also have these options here. I'm selling a covered call on REM, expiring 6/19, strike price of 24. Right now, REM is at $25.99, so it is above the strike price. It might just get called away, but I'm fine with that. Because I bought it at 22, so if they get called away at 24, plus the $50 premium that I got from selling this covered call, at least I make some money off of that. Alright, so this was a failed experiment. So what I did was I tried to sell a cash covered put on Hertz. Hertz is a car rental company and it's going through bankruptcy right now. So that's why the premiums are so high. But usually when a company files for Chapter 11, the share prices eventually goes to zero. Like they eventually become worthless, right? But they're not worthless now, because that process doesn't just happen overnight. It's like a long drawn out process, and it still trades for several months before it actually becomes worthless. But the premium was just so attractive. Like, I'm getting 30 to 40% worth of premium if I sell the cash covered put. So I went for that. I did that, and it did not turn out well at all. Because as you can see here, the unit cost was 30 cents, but now it's at 37.5. So I would have been down if I kept it. Thankfully, I sold it at basically the same price that I bought it at, which is at 30 cents. So, no, what am I saying? I bought it back to close it at the same price that I used to sell to open. So, if it was gonna expire out of the money, I would have made $3,000 in premium. But things were not looking good. Like, I was reading the news and there's so much fear on it getting delisted like any day now. So I got out of there. I lost faith in getting my premium from selling that put. So I got out. All right, and lastly, we have a covered call on Spirit Airlines expiring 6/19 at the $25 strike price. Right now it's at 18, so it's far away from 25. I don't think it's going to reach there by next Friday, but who knows? It's a volatile stock, so anything can happen. Today it went up 17%. 17% in one day. So yeah, it's pretty volatile. So who knows? It is far away from $25 right now, but it could reach there. Either way, I'm going to get a $1,117 in premium. Making some plays here to get that money, you know. Anyways, I'm really glad that the market is calming down a bit. For a while, it just seemed like it was just going up and up forever, right? Not only was it going up by a lot, but it was doing it very quickly too. So I'm glad that we calmed down a little bit. My last video I had about 89,000, so in the high 80s. Now I'm back down to the low 80s. So yeah, my account has pulled back a little bit. I'm not even mad. Like, I saw this coming. I didn't think that we were gonna go up to the moon and just stay there all the time. It makes sense that we take a step back, you know. As for next week, a lot of my options that I'm selling, my covered calls and everything, they're expiring on 6/19. They're all expiring the same day, next Friday. So right now I'm pretty much just waiting just to see what happens with my covered calls and things like that. And yeah, I think I'll be fine. I was watching CNBC today and someone said that they want the market to trade sideways for a little bit. And if that happens, I'm okay with that. That means I get to collect my premium and not have to worry about huge movements for a while. But I don't know. Maybe there's more volatility up ahead, you know. You just never know. Yeah, I'm going to keep an eye out for the airline stocks especially. Like, some people are saying that Spirit Airlines might touch $14 in the near future. If that happens, I'm definitely buying some call options if it goes that low. But yeah, if any stock that I'm attracted to gets low enough, I'm gonna start buying calls for them just to make some big money, hopefully. All right, that's it for my portfolio update, guys. Hopefully things go smoothly and we all get through this together. Good luck. See you guys later.